Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Do you know that you can make soft and delicious dinner rolls without touching the dough? Yes, in this recipe we will not be kneading the dough. So in a large bowl we'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, or if you have bread flour you can use it. That is 360 grams. Next, we'll go ahead and add 1/3 cups of sugar, that is 65 grams, half teaspoon of salt, 5 grams of dry yeast. I'll be using instant dry yeast. Then we go ahead and mix it until it's properly combined. After that, we'll go ahead and add 300 milliliters of warm water. That is 1 cup and another 1/4 cup. Next, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That is 30 milliliters. If you have olive oil, you can use it as well. Then we go ahead and mix it with our spatula until a dough is formed. Our dough should look like this after mixing. And next, we'll go ahead and cover it, place it in a warm area until it doubles in size. Now that our dough has doubled in size, we'll go ahead and take off the cover, and then we go ahead and separate the dough from the bowl, just like I'm doing in this video. Once we are done loosening the dough from the bowl, we'll go ahead and bring in our baking pan, and then we grease it. I'll be brushing some butter on mine. You can use some oil or just put parchment paper, whichever one you prefer. Once we are done with that, we'll go ahead and add some flour to our palms, rub it together so that the dough will not stick on it when we are molding it. Take some of the dough, mold it into ball and transfer it to our baking pan. Repeat the process for the rest of the dough until we've exhausted all the dough. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and cover the dough and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. Then we bake it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, share this recipe with your loved ones. Also check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.